And if you are in doubt what we revealed upon our slave, then bring the one surah of similar to it. Now the Quran is 114 surah of the chapter, and the smallest surah is Surah Al-Kawthar. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Inna a'tainaka al-Kawthar fasalli li rabbika wanhar inna sha'naka al-abtar. And this challenge is more than 1,450 years, and nobody can make even one small surah like Quran. A great miracle. The oldest book in original shape. The oldest book in the world without changes. Not even a dot. A book which is great meaning in small words, a great meaning, which is called Fusha. The Quran contains more than 6,000 verses, and every verse is like a deep sea, a deep ocean. When the Quran was revealed, the Arabs, their great talent was poems. And all their poems were shunned in front of the Quran. Same like when the sun comes out and all the other lights become useless. They become dim. The same way when the Quran was revealed, all the poetry of the people in Makkah were gone. In Arabia, gone. They cannot speak anymore because they know that's not the word of a man, but the word of the Creator. The great book, the great recitation. And one of the mu'jiza or the miracle of the Quran, it is easy to memorize. Easy to memorize. Millions of people or even the billions of Muslims, they have some part of the Quran memorized. And there are millions of the Muslims who memorize the Quran word to word, full Quran, more than 6,000 verses. If you can get the Quran and you check the pages, more than 600 pages. And more than 600 pages are memorized by a small child of 5 years old, 6 years old. He put all the memorize the Quran in his brain, in his heart, and he can speak from anywhere. Impossible. There is no such example in whole the human history. If all the people of the world will gather and make a challenge, all the religions, the Muslims, the Hindus, the Buddhists, the Christians, the Jews, Zoroastrian, Shintoism, Taoism, whatever religion, and they make a challenge now that we all, the books of all the religions will put in the sea. Even the CD or hard disk or computer, anywhere there is a book of any religion, we'll throw them all in the sea. And this challenge will go on. And now when there is no scripture available of any religion in the world, and we will say, okay, let's bring back your book. Write down your book. No religion, neither Christian can write back their Bible with their brain, neither the Jews can write back the Torah with their memory, neither the Hindus, they can write their Gita and their Ved with their memory, neither Buddhists or any other religion. But the Muslims, we can write down the Quran word by word, right away, verbatim. That's a miracle. That's how Allah protect the Quran. That since 1,450 years, by generations, the Quran is memorized by millions of Muslims. There's a way that no one can destroy, no one can corrupt, no one can temper the Quran.